Hey, what's up, tech enthusiasts? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI agents. You know, those smart assistants that are changing the game in everything from customer service to cybersecurity. And guess what? I'm going to show you how to build your very own AI agent. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the impact of AI agents. These little digital assistants are automating repetitive tasks, making our lives easier. Think about customer support bots handling queries 24/7, or logistics systems optimizing delivery routes. They're freeing up our time so we can focus on the big picture stuff. Next, AI agents are enhancing decision-making. They analyze mountains of data in real time and spit out insights that help businesses make smarter choices. Market forecasting, fraud detection, personalized recommendations, you name it, AI's got it covered. Customer service is another area where AI agents are shining. Chatbots and virtual assistants provide instant, personalized support, making customers happy and cutting down operational costs. Ever chatted with a bot that actually solved your problem? That's the power of AI. Cybersecurity is getting a major boost from AI agents too. These agents can detect threats, monitor network activity, and respond to potential attacks faster than any human analyst. They use machine learning to spot suspicious behavior and keep our data safe. In healthcare, AI agents are assisting doctors with diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images, and even suggesting treatment plans. Robotic process automation is streamlining administrative tasks, making healthcare more efficient. And let's not forget finance and trading. AI agents predict stock trends, automate trades, and detect fraudulent transactions at lightning speed. They're faster and more adaptive than traditional systems, giving traders a competitive edge. Alright, now that we've covered the impact, let's get into how you can build your own AI agent. Step 1. Define the purpose. What do you want your AI agent to do? Will it be a chatbot, a trading bot, or a cybersecurity monitor? Knowing the core purpose will guide your development process. Step 2. Choose the right technology stack. Depending on your AI agent, you'll need to pick the right tools. Programming language, Python's a favorite, but Java or JavaScript work too. AI frameworks, think TensorFlow, PyTorch, or OpenAI's GPT models. Databases, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, or Firebase for storing user data. Cloud services, AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure for scalability. Step 3. Gather and train data. High-quality datasets are crucial. Use sources like Kaggle, Google Dataset Search, or your proprietary data. Train the model using supervised or reinforcement learning techniques. Step 4. Develop and train the model. Use natural language processing for chatbots or deep learning for image-speech recognition. Train it iteratively to improve accuracy and performance. Step 5. Deploy the AI agent. Use APIs for integration, cloud-hosted services for scalability, and Docker for portability. Step 6. Monitor and improve. AI agents need continuous monitoring and updates to stay sharp. Implement feedback loops and keep refining the model. So there you have it, folks. AI agents are transforming industries, and now you know how to build your own. Whether it's a simple chatbot or a complex machine learning model, the future is in your hands. Start building your AI agent today and join the AI revolution. Catch you in the next video.